Okay, students. Now we will start with question number 11 from exercise 1.3. If the sum of first n terms, let me just put it in symbols as sum of first n terms, which is nothing but first n terms addition, that is Sn. Sum of first n terms of an AP is 4n minus n square. 4n minus n square. Okay, 4n minus n square. Okay. Then, what is the first term? First term, that is, you can call it S1 or which is also called as A1. Doesn't make any difference. You have to find out S1 and A1. What is the sum of first two terms? Sum of first two terms is nothing but S2, which is nothing but A1 plus A2 it is. And what is the second term? Also taken as what is A2. Then similarly find third, 10th and nth term. Similarly find third means A3. You are supposed to find A3. 10th term A10. And also you should find the nth term. Nth term means AN. So a lot of questions, isn't it? Many questions you see, but all of them are very easy. Very easy. So let us start the solution from one side. So since we know Sn is equal to 4n minus n square, we want S1, which is nothing but A1. Sum of one term. We can't even say sum of, because S1 is just the first term. So S1, I replace n with 1. So I get 4 into 1 minus 1 square. So what is the value of that? 4 into 1 is 4. 4 ones are 4. Minus 1 square is 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. So we can say S1 is 3. I'll better write down the list of answers on one side. S1, we got it as 3. S1 is also A1. We got it as 3. Next, they have asked us S2. Let's go to the next part. S2. So S2 is 4 into n is replaced with 2 minus 2 square. Okay. 4 2s are 8 minus 2 square is 4. 8 minus 4 is 4. So you got the next term also. Next term is 4. That is S2. Sum of two terms is 4. So S2 they are asked. So S2 is 4. What is S2? But what is S2? We know that S2 can be also written as A1 plus A2. Right? Sum of first two terms A1 plus A2 is also called as S2, which is equal to S2 value is 4. But we already know A1 value. A1 value is 3. So put that A1 value here 3. 3 plus A2 is equal to 4. So what is A2 is equal to? A2 is equal to 4 minus 3, which is equal to 1. So now I got A2. Second term they had asked A2, that is 1. So I got another answer. So we have already done with S2. We got A2. We have done with S1 or A1. These three things we found out. Correct? Right. There is another method of finding out this as well. See this formula. If you want to find out any AN, what you have to do is, you use this formula of Sn minus Sn minus 1. Suppose you want A100, we can find out S100 minus S99. If you do that, you can find out the nth term. This formula can be used when smaller numbers are there. So you can use that also in this case. Say, for example, what is A2? A2 is S2 minus the sum of first all those n terms which are previously than S2. So S2 is A1 and A2. Previous to that is A1. So we will stop it at S1. S2 minus S1 also gives you A2. This is another formula. But again, S2. What is S2? S2 is 4. S1 is 3. You could have used that one also. 4 minus 3 would have given the same answer. This is another method. Anyhow, we will not be using all the methods here. Let's go to the next part. A3. Maybe we can use that what I just told you. A3 is equal to, which you can use it, S3 minus S2. But we don't know S3. To find out that, we have to again go back to the given problem. Sn is equal to 4n minus n square. So Sn is replaced with S3. So what happens? N is replaced with 3. So 4n becomes 4 into 3 minus 3 square, which is equal to 4 3s are 12 minus 3 square is 9. 12 minus 9 is 3. So your sum of first 3 terms is 3. So what will happen? S3. So I am just writing S3 here. S3 is 9. Using this you can find out A3. A3 is equal to, what is A3? A3 is equal to S3 minus S2. Values of S3 is 3. S2 is 1. Sorry, S2 value is 4. So 3 minus 4, which is equal to minus 1. So third term is minus 1. Your first term is 3, correct? First term A1. Your A1 is nothing but S1, which is 3. Your second term A2 was 1, and now your third term is minus 1. Let me put it here. A3 is equal to minus 1. So it is in AP. You can see if I write the terms 3, 1, minus 1 continues. So presently what terms we have, I'll just note down all those terms. So you can say A1, A2, A3 is nothing but, what is A1? 3, 1, minus 1 continues. If you want to find out the common difference, please subtract A2 minus A1, you will get the common difference. Let us try to find out the common difference. The common difference D is equal to A2 minus A1, which is, what is A2? A2 is 1 minus 3. So D is equal to minus 2. So you get the common difference D. Since you got the first term, you got D, you got N, you can now go to find out next A3 also you have got, you have to go for A10. A3 is done, you have to go for A10. For which I take the formula AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. What is AN here? We want A10. A10 is equal to A. What is A? A is the first term, 3. Plus N is 10. 10 minus 1 into D. What is D? D is minus 2. Simplify. 3 plus 9 into minus 2. 10 minus 1 is 9. Now 3 plus into minus, minus 9 2s are 18. So A10 is equal to, the 10th term is equal to 3 minus 18, which is minus 15, negative of 15, that is A10. So we have found out A10 also. A10 is equal to negative of 15. Last part is AN formula. AN formula is the same formula I write back, but in this time A and D will be replaced, but N will not be replaced. It will be, the answer will be containing a variable N. So once more, AN is equal to A. A is 3 plus, but N value is unknown, it remains as N into minus 2. D is minus 2. Simplify the last part, AN is equal to 3 plus minus 2 into N becomes minus. So plus into minus, minus. Distributive property I am applying. So minus 2 into N is minus 2N. Minus into minus plus. So last step, AN is equal to 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 minus 2N. So hence we find out the AN or nth term. So I can write that at the end. AN is equal to 5 minus 2N. So hence the list of all the required results that they are asked. Thank you.